So that's the coop. We're not quite finished yet, but we're getting there. We are getting there slowly and productively. Some days. All out of recycled material. I've yet to do the actual chicken fencing. We have some lovely metal around the trim. Got to finish the actual coop. But yeah, it's slowly getting there. Slowly, slowly. And of course the bees and the bugs. Yeah, it's gonna be like this until November. Yeah, get used to it, folks. But we have put in a lot of beds. A lot of space covered. All that space back there to go. Lots of different fruit trees and regular. Yeah. Well, today's... Oh my god, bugs in my ear. Well, with that being said, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm being eaten alive. Ciao.